minutes. You think you're brushing for 2 minutes? Or more? More? Depende. The truth is, a lot of us, para tayong kumakarera pag nagbabrush. Ha? Tapos very vigorous. Late na ako. Pero pag nagsi-cellphone, nako, 2 hours na. Hindi na malayan tapos ng 2 hours. But when you brush, it's so fast. Please don't do that. Get a timer, set your phone, or if you have any clock, try to observe, am I really brushing for 2 minutes? And I tell you, baka halfway 1 minute pa lang nangangalay na yung arms ninyo. Magpatingin na kayo kay doktora. But yeah, please, ako rin, I check it myself. Sabi ko, naku, I'm brushing less than 2 minutes. Kasi I thought 2 minutes is just very short. But it is very important. Why? Within 2 minutes at least, nakukover nyo lahat ng surfaces. And did you know na meron pa dito? Dito sa loob, pag naglilinis po kami, marami po dito. Pag madalas, malinis naman sa harap, madalas. Pero sa loob, pag tinaas mo yung dila, nandun, naipon yung mga tartar build up. Ang dami na through the years. So magpalinis po kayo kay doktora. Ayan. And then, use small circular motion. Huwag niyo pong lalagarihin ito. Do not do a horizontal here. Over time, lalo yung mahilig at naniniwala pa rin sa matigas na toothbrush, nagkakaroon po dito ng caving in, nagkakaroon ng butas, then nagkakaroon ng sensitivity. Ala, bakit kaya? Through the years, kung gano'n ang practice po ninyo, masisira po yan. And your gums magsha-shorten, may expose yung roots. Yun na naman si sensitivity, pangingilo. Oh, by the way, our toothpaste sa green tea extract, meron siyang component din na nakakatulong sa sensitivity. But it's not so strong. It's okay. Anyway, it's there. And what else? Dito, please include your tongue. Marami pong naiipon dito ng mga food debris. Mamaya babaho na. Okay? So please, hindi lang po ngipin ang meron sa ating bunganga.